The selling and the frenzy of trading attracted many people to the stock market over recent weeks, especially with the brief inflation of the GameStop stock. And while a lot of people were watching their accounts to make a quick profit, 7 News anchor Catherine Guyon is live to tell us there was another group watching to make sure people didn't become addicted to day trading. Catherine.
Steve, 1-800-GAMBLER in West Virginia has been around for about 20 years, and they tell me in that time they've only gotten a handful of calls related to the stock market. But once day trading became popular and accessible right at our fingertips on smartphones, those calls went up.
About 1 in 50 West Virginians have a problem with gambling.
Most people who gamble on anything from slot machines to the stock market don't have a problem. But there are some people who get addicted to the thrill of winning big or stuck in the spiral of recouping their losses.
A lot of people will remember the wins, they'll remember the stock jumps, but they won't remember the losses.
Moran says it's important to recognize when there's a problem, and there are clear indications.
If you're at a point where you're spending money that you don't have, when, for instance, you're borrowing money from people or using your credit card, then that could be a sign that it's an issue.
If you're lying about how much you've spent, vow to quit but keep gambling or trading, or feel like you can't get away, then it's time to seek help.
So they're constantly getting mobile notifications that they should invest more, invest in a certain company. And so it's just keeping them glued to their phone and adding money to the account.
It only takes one bet or stock purchase to get addicted. And it only takes one phone call or online chat to start overcoming that addiction.
Sometimes people say, can you just give me the answer, the solution over the phone? And we might be able to give just, some tips and advice, but generally most people who are really crossed over into addiction will need treatment, at least a few sessions with a professional counselor who specializes in this.
They also tell me about 30% of the calls they get are from family or friends seeking help for a loved one. So if you think you or someone you know needs help, call 1-800-GAMBLER or visit 1-800-GAMBLER.net. Live in the 7 News